How to connect Printify account to your Amazon account. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and in this tutorial I will simply show you a genuine guide and a full video description that how you can do it or how you can add these both accounts. So firstly I will go on the Printify official website and then click on it. If you have an account, you can simply click on the login button to log in with your email ID and password. And if you don't have it, you can simply create it from the create now button. This is my login page and I will simply sign in to my account with my Gmail address as I have already an account on Printify here. So as you can see, I have a lot of options once I create my account to choose what brings you to Printify, and it will answer the basic question that why you are on this website and what's your purpose for this. After clicking on all the things, after entering all the details of yours, you have to simply keep clicking on the next button and wait till your account loads with all of the details. You can select the country where you would like to sell any item or sell your product from, and you can also click on I want to sell globally, so it will already tag all the countries around the world. Now here you have to enter that how did you hear about them, that is Printify, of course. And now you will get your account in front of you. So this is my Printify account. On the left I will click on order button, and from the order button let me just scroll to the down and click on go to setting option. In my order routing option on my Printify account, I will again click on Printify Connect, and here you can available with Printify Premium. If you have Premium, then you can simply connect your Amazon account with your Printify account. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.